Hey Virgo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Oh Lord. Alright, deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Okay. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Interesting combination. Alright, Virgo. Okay, so some of you guys, the person that you're dealing with, their character, and I just saw the Seven of Swords somewhere when I just shuffled. Somebody is sneaky. You gotta be careful with this individual. That's why Love Yourself First came out. Because this person, for a lot of you guys, have really been putting you through it. And I feel like you need to set your boundaries and take a stand here. But there is a connection between the two of you. So, I mean, yeah, let's jump in because... Ugh, so vague. Let's see what's going on. Because somebody's really not revealing themselves. That mask is on. Alright, let's see. Okay, Virgo, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, I have the Knight of Pentacles. So, this is telling me that somebody is definitely moving slow. Slow as hell, okay? I feel like, honestly, somebody wants to tell you something, but they're not. They're moving slow. Alright, what's going on with Virgo, please? Second half of December. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. If not, I feel like this person that you were dealing with, this person caused an imbalance in the relationship. There was definitely a lot of arguing going on. Just a lot of unnecessary conflict here. And I feel like you guys are trying your best not to look back at what took place in the past. Ooh. Okay. What is happening? But yeah, when it comes to this individual, you don't have a happy home with this person. You know, and you're back and forth whether or not you want things to improve with them because you really do care about this individual. But again, there's just a lot of conflict going on right now between the two of you guys, or there's just a lot of things that have been left unsaid. You feel like it's not going to get any better, and you're walking away from it. You're like, you know what? I deserve better. I'm gone. Alright. Yep. You basically have come to the conclusion that you don't really see yourself building with this individual anymore. Oh, what did this person do? Justice in reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra here. If not, maybe you found out that somebody's getting out of some type of legal situation, or maybe the truth came out about something. That's why you're like, Yeah, somebody's in their head big time. There's a lot of mental conflict here. Somebody's feeling like something's been lost. Yeah. I feel like it's you guys. You know, you're looking at it like what you want to take place out of the situation with this individual. You're realizing that, okay, I may have to go on a new path. This may not be what's destined for me. You guys really wanted it to work, you know? You definitely wanted things to improve, or maybe this person wanted things to improve with you. There could have been some type of third-party situation going on, but at the end of the day, Virgo, I just see you dropping it. You know, you were the one putting in all the work into the situation with this individual, and they took it for granted. And so you're like, you know what? Bump this. I'm loving myself first. Oh, yeah, that was definitely a three-party. That's 2 threes already. Oh, yeah. Okay, so some of you guys found out about some type of third-party situation. But you're dropping it. You're letting it go. You're like, you removed yourself out of this third-party situation. Oh, my God. The Tower, too? Virgo, what is happening? Y'all gonna make me play my Christmas music as soon as I'm done with y'all. Lord. Like, what is happening? Something came Okay, so you guys are dropping it because this person that you were dealing with definitely had you in some type of third-party situation. And there was a tower moment because it was like you were putting forth all the effort to make things work, and this person wasn't, doing it either. Well, excuse me, they weren't putting in the work. So, yeah, the stability in the relationship, it wasn't stable. And so it had to come crashing down. It came to a stop. You guys removed yourself out of the situation. But somebody, maybe you guys found out this person had another family. Lord, and there's the devil at the bottom of the deck. Oh. Somebody is very sneaky, something toxic. Oh my gosh, this energy here. It's like you saw yourself building with this person. You saw yourself having a family with this individual, but right now you're like, I don't see a victory with this person because of what they put me through. I refuse. Some of you guys could have been dealing with this person for a long time, but you're like, you know what? Somebody has something that they want to say, but they're holding back. They're not speaking up. And I feel like at this point, you guys are coming out of being frustrated about it. And you're just trying to stay positive, I just feel like a lot of you guys are just trying to move forward, So you're just staying positive. Look at that, the star. Staying positive. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, but again, I just feel like somebody is trying to stay positive, just trying to stay hopeful that things will work out in their favor with them moving on, because y'all definitely cut somebody off. Big time. Somebody could have been dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but yeah. Somebody got cut off. Look at that third party. It's definitely some type of third party. So let's just say, I have to say this every time, third party doesn't have to be another man or a woman. It could be a family member or a friend. But just take it for however it fits your situation. But there was definitely some type of third party here. So it could be, now that I'm looking at this, you guys definitely did cut this person off. I mean, that's not going to change, okay? Because they put you in this third party situation. But I want to say that this person could be trying to come back to let you know that they cut off this third party person or whatever the situation they had going on. But you don't trust it. Because this person was being the magician, like they were everywhere. You don't trust it. Tell me more, please. Somebody could be dealing with another earth sign, a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But Virgo, I feel like this is you. You're just focusing on yourself. You're focusing on your career. Because you're a go-getter. You're like, you know what? I put too much time and energy into this mess, and I just don't have time for it anymore. I feel like you're sad, but at the end of the day, you're picking up the pieces. You're doing what you got to do. But this situation is definitely frustrating you. Maybe you're frustrated about finances for some of you guys. But I just feel like you guys will be coming out of that energy. And it looks like you're going to make a decision. This person that you cut off, they made a decision. They want to come back towards you and give you an offer. But at the same time, there's some codependency with this person. Tell me more. Yeah, this person definitely didn't bring balance to your life. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Sagittarius here, but they're still coming back wanting to give you an offer. Tell me more. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but this person definitely wants to move forward with you. And these here, there's a lot of back and forth. Okay, so I feel like, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius, right? And you're trying to stay positive. Because you care about this person. You would like things to work out, but at the end of the day, you're having a hard time because of what this person put you through. Somebody's definitely interfering in this connection. For some of you guys, it is someone's mother. They are in the way. Or some type of motherly figure. If not, it is a man or a woman friend. But somebody's blocking. And this person is trying to take it day by day to come towards you, but they're not. I mean, I have both knights here in reverse. It's like they're moving slow to come towards you because they know they have to tell you the truth, right? But they're not. But then in the next breath, it's like they have the confidence to come towards you. They know that they're getting ready to lose you. And so, I mean, this is 3 nights back to back. I mean, so now they're just still not approaching you. This person is just like, oh, Lord, this person here. Okay, I'll just leave it there. This person here. All right, anyway, let's move on. Okay, so somebody's dealing with an Aries here. If not, you guys are just looking at this individual like they do not bring stability in your life. This is somebody that you could have been dealing with from your past. You've known since childhood. You possibly have kids with this person. But you guys are emotional. You're sad the way things are playing out, but you're just holding everything in because you feel like this other person has options. There's things about this individual that you just don't like. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, a Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but y'all are just over it. You're not speaking up anymore. But somebody wants those seeds that were planted to grow. Somebody's coming out of feeling sad about the way things are playing out. Somebody's coming out of this energy of being frustrated. Yep. Somebody, Virgo, this is you. You're basically healing. You're leaving all this alone. You're isolating yourself from this person because you're realizing, you know, I need to get far away from the situation and focus on myself. You're realizing that you're not going to have a new beginning with this person. You know, as much as you really wanted it, but it was just a lot of deception going on. Things that you just didn't know. This person wasn't telling you anything. You guys could be dealing with another Virgo. For some of you guys, you could be dealing with a Scorpio. But you're like, you know what? This just needs to come to an end. I'm tired. But they're saying that somebody's still weighing up some decisions here. Somebody has to make a decision. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But I feel like somebody is trying to get out of some type of relationship or commitment, marriage possibly, because they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity here. So you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo like yourself. This person wants to come back in to give you this offer of commitment. But there's 2 people here. 3 people here. What? Virgo. And you know the sad part about this is, when I flipped this card over, something said 3, and I was like, in my head, no it's not. Yes it is. Like, what? There's 3 people here. Y'all know I don't take the cards being gender specific, so it could be 3 men, could be 3 women, it could be a mix of everybody, okay? There's a lot of people involved here. I really feel like this person seriously wants to give you an offer. But they know that they were being a player and they're sad about it, but it's a lot of people here, guys. Oh my gosh. Virgo, y'all know y'all gotta leave me some comments, please. Because, and you know what? This was the card at the bottom of the deck. Somebody's definitely dealing with a Leo here. Somebody's being a player. Somebody liked the fact that they had options. They thought that you were going to stick around and tolerate their nonsense. And when you put your foot down and you walked away because you loved yourself first, they're stuck. Because they're like, wait, what? You're not dealing with me? Wait, what? So now they're like rethinking things. But their ego and their pride is in the way because they don't want to come forward to admit to you what they did wrong, because a lot of you guys really don't know the truth or know the full story of what's going on behind the scenes here. Look at that, the sun. Somebody definitely wants happiness, but don't have a peace of mind here. I wouldn't either with all these people. Somebody, y'all, I'm stressed, okay? This is stressing me out. What in the world? Somebody's definitely interfering here.